guys, so this is what it looks like with the factory halogen bulbs. And now let me show you guys what it looks like with the LEDs. This is what the packaging looked like. You got your serial numbers, you got your made in China, and let's crack this thing open and see what it looks like inside. So when you order this, what comes inside the packaging, by the way, the link to this product is going to be in the description below. Just take a quick peek down there and you'll be able to find this fog light setup. This is an LED headlight fog light. If I'm not mistaken, this is a H8 bulb setup. And okay, so you guys know what it looks like factory. Now let me show you guys what it looked like with some LED bulbs. So let's go take a look real quick. All right, so to get access to it, you have to take off these push clips like this. There's one here, there's one here, and then you can push this up. And then once you push this up, you're gonna look inside and it's right there. In order to take it off, you have to pull down this little pin or pop off this little clip like that. And then once you pop this guy off right here, you twist the bulb and it pops right out. Just that easy. And if you look on the back, it's an H8 at the top, and then the LED is also an H8. I did order some LED headlights, which is gonna change out these halogen bulbs up top for some LED 60K, and these are 3K. So let me put this one in real quick, and then we'll turn on the headlights and see what it looks like. All right, real quick, if you try once and you don't succeed, just flip it around the other way. And the second time you put it on, that thing will work the first time you put it. So basically this is what it looks like with yellow headlights. I'm sorry, yellow fog lights. And I think the yellow fog lights look so much better than the halogen ones. So I'm gonna have, if you look on the ground, I'm gonna have yellow fogs and super bright LED headlights. I think it's just gonna make the car look so different at night. All right, so let me do the other side and I'll see you guys in a sec. All right guys, so I got them both installed. I really like the way the car turned out. This looks like it's an aggressive car already. I just can't wait to change out those halogen headlights. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have a wonderful day.